Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going fishing in YEEPS.
Yeah,
pretty cool. Here's a community board if you want to go fishing too.
The key is defacing.
Now let's go fishing.
Mr. Beast.
Okay guys,
give me some
here's
money.
the fishing map.
And I'm gonna be the seller, guys. I work here, guys. Just so you know.
Okay, so yeah, he's gonna be the shopkeeper.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's a shopkeeper. We don't have too much VIP perks right now, but we're gonna add more, just so you know.
Wait, I'm going to go in third person. I'm in third person, just.
Okay, guys. Here we are.
VIP.
In the VIP room.
Get me in VIP.
There's a team. The VIP team. We're gonna add like mini admin abuses for VIP to do soon. They get a special fish called the clownfish. Okay guys, and let's show you fishing. So fishing is a really fun thing to do in YEEPS, where you can take your fishies, either release them or you can sell them to the seller. So there's many different rarities for the fishies. Like the swordfish, for example. This is a swordfish, for example.
No, I'm selling it to you. Thank you.
He's just taking the money. We're gonna go over the rules in this map. Number 1, no stealing other players' fish.
And also,
guys, I'm really trying to get Star Creator, so please click that subscribe button.
Yeah.
In a little bit.
Can I sell this?
Okay.
Can I sell this?
So we're gonna show you some gameplay.
Oh, it's one of those fish. Give me a minute.
So I got an epic, which I might want to sell, but I'm gonna release it. For example, let's say I get the rarest fish in the game, an extinct megalodon. I can sell this fish.
What is it?
A megalodon, a mythic.
An extinct. Isn't this an extinct?
Yeah. An extinct.
Okay. That'll be
An
500.
extinct megalodon.
Just a second.
So guys, please subscribe because I'm really trying to get Star Creator.
5. Oh, here you go. 1. Oh yeah. Can I?
You can just leave him right there.
3, 4, 5. This is
If you want to take other people's player, join Dakota 8 Top Hat to go fishing.
Yeah! Join code!
I just got a legendary axolotl. So I'm gonna sell this.
Join a What rarity is it?
It's a legendary axolotl. Do not lie about the rarities.
Legendary. That would be one.
The shopkeeper role has 50,000 stuffing.
Guys, did you know in real life I 3D printed a butt coin?
Nice.
For no reason.
And if the system is broken, do not spam it. Anyways, that's about it for this video. Please subscribe and join this code. Bye bye guys.